If you do good things every day and structure it a certain type of way, you will literally have no time to do bad habits. We literally at the table right now talking about this exact same concept, and y'all are AB Academy, and I fuck with y'all, so I'm about to give y'all the rundown and the spiel on how to make every day a good day and never do bad things. Stay tuned. All right, man. So first off, you want to perform an environment audit. Basically, all this means is you want to look around your environment, see the type of things that you have here. What makes you lazy? What makes you unproductive? What makes you motivated? What gets you inspired? What makes you productive? Everything that makes you unproductive, anything that can throw you off, it could be junk food, it could be on your phone, it could be anything in these sorts. Anything that is not serving the purpose of productivity, you need to get rid of it. You need to throw it away. You know what I mean? I literally just went around my room and did the same exact thing. Nothing really was like not serving me type vibe, but you'll be surprised. You know what I mean? The easiest way to be quote unquote disciplined is to remove that shit out of your environment. If you want to eat healthy, my nigga, fill your house up with healthy foods. If you want to lose weight, my nigga, the same shit. You know what I mean? It's all like environmental. Habits are environmental, bro. You know what I'm saying? The person you're around right now, the people that you hang around is probably contributing to whatever habits you got. So just control your environment, control your circle, and everything follows. If y'all ever seen that movie Limitless, you've seen that the first thing he did after taking the Limitless tablet was he cleaned his whole house. He cleaned his whole room. He cleaned this environment so he can have a fresh, you know what I'm saying, space to work out of and shit like that. So that's always going to be rule number one, is to perform an environmental audit. All right, before you go to bed, you know what I'm saying, the night before, plan the next day, the night before. Write down 3 things that if you complete it the next day, your next day will instantly get off to a good start. You know what I'm saying? So this is the most top priority task. Whatever gonna get the ball moving the most, whatever gonna push the needle the most, my nigga, you need to write that down before going to sleep. You know what I'm saying? Whether that's a piece of paper by your bedstand, whether that's a Trello board, whether that's a notepad, a to-do list, anything that you look at every day, whatever your productivity system is, you need to write down 3 to 5 things, preferably 3, bro. The less the better, you know what I'm saying? Whatever those 3 things that, hey, if I do these 3 things today gonna be good. You need to figure that out the night before though, you know what I'm saying? So every day you wanna, and then we're gonna get into that next. Every day before you go to sleep, you wanna write down them things so the next day you can do this. Step number 3, you wanna wake up with a purpose, man. You don't wanna wake up, get on your phone. You don't wanna wake up not knowing what the fuck you gotta do. You gotta wake up with a purpose, man. That's where morning routine come in. A lot of people don't like routines. A lot of people don't like structure, but structure is amazing. That's one thing that Jobs taught us, is to have structure. These is billion-dollar companies, million-dollar companies that are literally functioning because they have a structure. When you come in, you got some type of onboarding, you know what I'm saying? When you leave, you got some type of, we gonna fire you this way, you know what I'm saying? It's structure, my nigga. Treat your life like a business, because it is, you know what I'm saying? Turn your brand up. Your life is a brand, your life is a business. Treat it like such, you know what I'm saying? Have some type of structure when you wake up, and just don't wake up mindlessly, not knowing what's going on, with no aims and no purpose in your life, you feel me? So whatever your morning routine is, as soon as you wake up, get to it. Don't even grab the phone. Figure out what you're gonna do to be productive. You know what I'm saying? Which leads me into our next point. Do y'all remember step number 2? When we planned the next day, the night before? Now we wanna eat them frogs. We wanna GTS, get the shit done. You know what I'm saying? Today, when we wake up, once we got our structure, we wanna actually work on that list. We wanna actually get it done as fast as possible. Wake up with a purpose, get shit done. You know what I'm saying? This is the GTS. Eat the frog, do the hardest thing first, do the most impactful thing first, and let that resonate and lead your day and trickle down to everything else. And last but not least, you're gonna wanna time block every single thing. Time blocking is the most essential, crucial part, because you can say you wanna do something, but until you got an estimate of how long it's gonna take, until you got an estimate of what time you're gonna do it at, it's really not done. You know what I'm saying? I like to look at my calendar as like okay, I know this is gonna get done because I put it at this time. You know what I'm saying? It's like the solidifier. This is the glue. I can put this shit on my to-do list, but until I put it on this calendar, until I have an actual time frame for it, is it really gonna get done? You know what I mean? So make sure y'all get y'all Google Calendar set up. Make sure y'all get y'all framework. Make sure you go back and listen to every single step And that's gonna make your life so productive that you ain't got time for bad habits. How? Because shit, if you time block everything that you gotta do in that day, it's probably gonna take you a long time. You might got a job, you might got kids, you might got these responsibilities, those responsibilities, school. Time block your school in there and then still put your habits in there, you feel me, that you want to do. If you want to do things like working out, things like reading, things like getting shit done, working, if you put it around your normal schedule, I guarantee you're gonna see like, damn, this shit filled up everything. Okay, cool. Now, as long as I stick to this schedule, as long as I stick to this script, we not gonna have no time to fuck off. My timer just went off, but we ain't gonna have time to fuck off and do bad habits, man. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure you like it, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.